WBP stars. For dessert we're gonna do something with blood orange, some pistachio from Bronte, and some Arabic flavors. We made like a cheesecake, but then with Greek yogurt. This is like a mousse. We're gonna fill it up with a cream of pistachio with Chardonnay vinegar. Then we have marinated blood orange with all different spices. We cut them in smaller pieces. Put this on the top of the pistachio cream. Then we took off the skin and we cooked them in the spiced syrup. We confit them. Then we have some hazelnut with pistachio. We bake them in a pan and finish it off with honey and dried cranberries. With a nice crunchy texture in the dessert also, and a lot of flavor from the nuts and the dried cranberry. It works well with the blood orange. Okay, then we take the pistachio ice cream. And the ice cream. So we turn it in a classical ice cream turbine. Nice banana of it. Then we made a nice vinaigrette from the blood orange and the sugar syrup with the spices. Put it over the dessert. And we finish it off with a crispy biscuit with all different kinds of spices like fennel, coriander seed, some ras al hanout. So this is the dessert. Present to you Greek yogurt with pistachio from Bronte, Arabic flavors and blood orange. Thank you.